So today we have with us Mr. Anil Koturi, CEO, Fed Bank Financial Services Limited. Again, we have Mr. Sikka with us. Mr. Sikka, just one question for both of you again, from a layman perspective. Okay, so we've seen what has happened in 2020, up downs that we have seen because of COVID and other things. Now, where do we see this landscape moving into 2021? And from the layman's perspective, what technology is going to help me? Because anything that happens in the back end, that definitely helps us, all of us. But in terms of innovations, do you think that growth is going to get accelerated because of the pandemic and it is going to help the end user eventually? Your thoughts on that?
Anil, you'll like take a shot first.
All right. So I think what the pandemic has done is that it has helped people focus on what's important and what counts. Okay, so I think there's going to be a reprioritization of people's behavior, spending habits, whatever else it is. Okay, so that's the big change that I see as a consequence of the pandemic. Okay, now that will translate into different things, into spending habits, how people use their leisure, how people interact with each other and stuff. Now, where I sit, I've one of the realizations that has been that people come to office not just to earn their living, but there's also a huge social component to it. Okay, that is one of the things that has become evident. Okay, uh, we've begun to use technology well, and we are getting the output that we need, from our people, and business results, are not compromised owing to the pandemic. But the big thing that has changed is that people are not able to come to office and relate to each other and do things together that they used to. So I think the big takeaway has been that people want to interact with other people, and they will look for platforms to do so. Okay, so that has been really the big takeaway. And the second one is that people are going to prioritize things, so that the pandemic has caused people to think of what is really most important to them, and they will direct their energies differently now. So that's my take, Ashish.
So thanks, Anil. And I think just Rishikesh, just taking it up from what Anil said, I think one of the things which people have also recognized during this entire time is that technology is no longer an expense. It's actually an investment because it helps you to make your life better. And very few simple examples, right? If earlier we were using a laptop for, let's say, 4 or 5 years, now you spend so much time on your laptop doing these Zoom meetings, team meetings, and stuff like that. You actually want the latest and the greatest and the best available, because you want voice clarity to be there. You want your laptop to be fast because you're spending like 8 to 9 hours on that. So that's one big change which we have seen. The other big change, which actually I was discussing with Anil before this, is earlier it was work from office, then it became work from home, and I think slowly the way it is going, it would be anywhere, everywhere. Basically, you have to be productive, you have to be available. It doesn't mean that you create a culture where you don't have a work-life balance. But as you and Anil were discussing, people will always have passions which are there. But at the same time, if they're passionate enough, they'll carve out time for those passions, and at the same time be available for their organizations to be more productive than what they were before the pandemic. And I think third is what Anil summed up quite well. I think people have spent a lot of time indoors. They have also had the time of self-reflection. In fact, when I meet my friends, I'm very surprised to learn that actually each and every one of them have picked up a different skill during this time, and they've been able to master it. And that, as you guys were discussing, it lightens that bulb of curiosity in you. And once it does, you want to learn more and more. And I do see that that change. I think people also on a slightly personal front. Personally, for me, I value my family time now much more than what maybe I did before COVID, which was there. I want to spend time with my family. I want to spend time with my pet. And I think that takes a precedence over anything else. So those are the changes. And I think in all of these, technology can play a part. Technology can help you spend more time with your family, because you can do meetings remotely. You can do meetings from anywhere. You can approve, reject stuff on the system. You don't have to necessarily go to office to sign a document. So I think things are changing definitely much faster and much better, and people are using it for their benefit.